Hello everyone, welcome to GAN SQL Server debate tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to restore a database to a specific point in time in SQL Server. This is a point in time recovery. So point in time recovery allows you to restore a database into the state it was in any point of time. This type of recovery is applicable only to the database that run under the full or bulk logged recovery model. So for the recovery model, we'll have a separate video, and I have one scenario. Okay, so go through that. So full backup I have taken in 2 p.m. 01 minute, and it contains the table actor only. One table is contained. And differential backup in 2:03 p.m. contain table 1 and 2. And transaction log backup I have in 2:06 p.m. contain the table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means after 2:03 we have a backup table 3, 4, 5. Okay, so transaction log backup in 29, this is will process, and at 2:08 someone deleted the table and actor 4 and 5. Means in whenever we take the backup transaction log backup 2:09, it won't have the actor table 4 and 5. So we want to restore that database in my 2:06 p.m. so that we can contain the deleted table also. So we'll be using two ways to restore a database to a specific time point in time in the SQL Server using the SQL Server Management Studio, and another is a T-SQL script. So let me go through that. Connect. So point in time recovery, I will go through the two step. One step I can do it, but in I will go to the two step. So let me delete the tables. So we have a 5 tables. Let me delete. So I'm going to restore the database. So right click on that task, go to the restore and database. So just click on that device, pop up. I will select the uh, in my scenario 2:01 2:03. I'm just restoring the database full backup and differential backup. 2:01 and full backup and differential backup. So let me select that. Okay, and files, no need to change. Options, I'm going to override. And for the restoring the transaction log, I need to go to the recovery model, recovery state in restore with the no recovery. Let me close the existing connection. If anything is there, then click on general, click on OK. So database differential restores successfully. Come here. So see, this is in restoring mode. So nobody can use the database file. This will be restoring mode. So right click on that. Now I am going to restore the transaction log. Okay. Task, restore and transaction log. So DVD rental new from device, click on there, add. We have a transaction log in tran in 0206. Let me click on OK. Okay, then options. If you have a replication, then we can do that. And before restoring each backup, so Leave the database ready to use the rollback. Uncommitted transaction, additional transaction log cannot be restored. So restore with the recovery. So I'm selecting here the restore with the recovery. Go to the general and click on OK. So this is a point in time. So most recent will be the possible. Click on OK. Yeah, we did it. So database restore successfully. Click on OK. Refresh. Go to the table. See, there is we have a 5 tables now. Okay. So we did the point in time recovery. We have all the extra tables in this part. And now we'll go through the T-SQL script. Let me copy the T-SQL script. It will be available also in our website. So let me delete the 4 and 5. In second scenario, I'm deleting the 4 and 5. Go to the query. So use master backup. I'm backupping the log, bigger size. Then so after backupping the log, just database in no recovery mode and restore database. DVD enter. This is my full backup at 2:01 p.m. backup. And then I'm calling the differential backup, and last I'm calling the transaction log backup. In one step I'm doing all the things one by one. We also can run this one. So restore database, DVD rental, and this is disk path, and the I'm leaving the database in the no recovery mode. Last it automatically come to the recovery mode, so we can use the database now. So let's run this one. Yeah, query executed successfully. So process 18 pages, and this is the percentage. See that last restore log successfully, restore database process this many pages, and restore database successfully. Now come to our part, and we have a 3 tables now. Refresh. Yeah, we have a 4 and 5 tables. So in this video we learn restore a database to a specific time, point in time in SQL Server. So what is the point in time recovery? Allows you to restore the database into a state that was any point of time. This type of recovery is applicable only to database that run under the full or bulk log recovery model. So this is my scenario. We did already, and deleted tables are restored now, 4 and 5. Okay. With that 2 method we did, SQL Server Management Studio and T-SQL script. Hope this video will help. Thank you for watching.